Chicken box. Look at her expression.
Bonjour! Welcome back to India to France. Today I'm taking you through a full day in my life as a student here in Toulouse. Classes, food, friends, and all the chaos in between. So, what are we waiting for? Let's go! A day can't start without the tea. The masala chai magic fixes just about everything. This French bread? Surprisingly close to the sweet ones we get back in India. What a perfect pairing. Packed and ready. Laptop, biryani, because priorities, and an umbrella for this unpredictable weather. Bonjour! Welcome back to India to France. So today I'm going to take you around my entire day, like how I'm gonna spend it and how it's gonna be at the school. So right now I'm walking towards the school, that is TBS, and yeah, we just have 15 minutes to reach there. Look at Rahul. Stay tuned. Rahul is already sprinting because as usual we are late. I'm taking the bike, which is convenient, eco-friendly, and faster than walking. Guess whom did we just meet? Asena. You know what? Whenever I plan to make videos, she often tends to bump into me. Maybe you like being in my video, Asena. Yeah. So it's 8:20 now, and we're walking towards our class. Yeah, and sadly we don't have classes in the main building, but we have a building which is behind, so that's why we're gonna walk. It's a little bit further, so I think once we reach we'll settle down and I'll show you around the class. So we don't have classes early 8:30 usually, but just this one subject, or otherwise we usually have classes around 10 o'clock mostly, and sometimes it starts at 11:30. So each class could be anywhere from 1 hour to 3 hours, sometimes 4.5 as well, depends on how the professors schedule. So yeah, and in a day you can have either 1 or 2 classes, so no matter what, all the classes get over at 6 p.m. So that doesn't mean we have classes entire day until 6. So today I have class at 8:30 for 3 hours, and then again another one at 1 o'clock. I think 1. Yeah. So 1, 2, 4. So I'll be free at 4. Finance class is no joke, especially for someone like me who didn't pay attention in engineering.
They could ask me, oh, it should be one. Well, in order to say that I have a liquid financial understanding,
Trying to keep up while figuring out the terms. It's a struggle, guys.
you have a mismatch. And the liquidity ratio is connected with this output. Okay, so this song is from the program I saw when I was a child. It's called La Bola de Cristal. It's music, crystal ball, and it's very fashion. It's like a cool nowadays someone is really it's like a manga idea. And people are crazy about La Bola de Cristal. So this is the music. Okay.
Look at this. It's freezing today and it's raining a little. Break time! Found some free food, which is always a win. But checked my email, turns out that I didn't win that competition which I worked so hard on. A bit disappointing, but we move on.
Thank you very much.
How is it?
No, thank you. Man, of course, thank you, man. Of course, thank you. It's really nice.
Excellent.
I cooked it!
Do you really think Nicolas it's a little bit spicy also?
I'm so sorry. I should have got you yogurt,
Really good,
but I was late.
but for us, it's always special.
It's always fine.
But that's really good.
I have another lunch box, so this is biryani that we made, chicken biryani, and
Exactly.
look at the lunch.
Thank you.
No.
Ça fume les gars? Non, c'est pas ma bouche, c'est pas ma bouche. The whole thing.
Chicken box.
Weekend. Wow.
Look at her expression.
Wow. Celebrate next weekend.
Oh, we need to eat because there will be too much people.
You liked it, Rahul? Again? We'll do this again? Food? Yeah? I did not expect that they would like our Indian dish so much, and I feel happy because usually I've seen people don't really share food here, but looking at this, I mean, I feel happy to share our food, our culture with people across, boundaries. I would cook for them again and again. So we've been cooking this dish for like 1.5 hours because yes, biryani is really a task. Getting all the ingredients and putting them together and cooking them and storing. It takes time. Checked my scores. One is 14.5 and the other one is 10 by 20. And that's the Photoshop. Ew, that one stings because as a content creator, this should be my strong suit. Looks like I have some serious catching up to do. Let me show you how the classroom looks like. This is a building which is behind the main building. So I cannot show you where my class is going on right now, but I can definitely show you the one that is empty. This is the classroom, which is in the 3rd floor. And it looks something like this. and we have a projector there, and this is the view. It's tight. How many hours did we work?
3 in the morning. 3 this morning. And tomorrow we are going to have
Presentation. Some cute Italians joined us at our classroom today. Their accents are so adorable, and their energy is definitely contagious. Also, this is what our classroom looks like. Basic but functional.
Dans la première, est-ce qu'elle devrait continuer à pousser pour faire de la stratégie open source?
Ouais.
Donc là, on va répondre oui.
Oui.
Avec quels arguments?
Je l'ai fait trouver.
Et après avoir dit oui, je veux continuer à faire de l'open source.
What about the class? So I know you might see me struggling in this video a lot because I genuinely was. So I did not have much classes before this in finance department, so that's why it took me a lot of time to understand what are the components and how do we solve it. But the teacher, she is from Spain, by the way, and she is very much popular and well recognized by the government from Spain. So she had a lot of knowledge that she came with, and yeah, she helped me a lot. And this is how we have teachers here. They are from various countries, they have their own method of teaching and own method of creating the content that is easy for students to understand. So yeah, I think at the end of the day I managed to learn a lot of things. So tomorrow I have the presentation that we're going to do in the group of 6 people. Hope we have put together a nice video. So you must also be curious about how the classes are conducted here. Well, that's the right question if that's what you're thinking. So usually how the classes take here is that it's just one class for like 3 to 4 days, and each day will have at least 2 classes of 3 hours each, or maybe 1 hour and 4.5 hours, something like that. And once you're done with that subject, you move on to the next subject. So we do not have it like how we have it back in India, like 6 subjects all together on a single day. No, it's one subject at a time. In a way, it's nice because you get to focus on just one subject, think about it, come up with questions, and like give it a proper attention that a subject needs. So what about the intakes? We have 2 intakes. One is in January and the other one is in September. So January is when we came. So let's consider September. So this is for masters, okay? So if you come in September month, you will have classes till March. So after March, for the rest of the months, you are allowed to go for your internship. And also, not every master's students are mandated to do their internship. For some it is mandatory and for some not, so you'll have to check with someone who handles your case. Suppose international business team or your case handler, those are the people who can help you understand more. So let me know which intake are you planning to apply for. If you need any help or if you have any questions, always feel free to drop your comments. If you're watching this video, I assume that you're applying for schools in France. In any case, if you have any questions or you want to talk to me just to get my experience, you can always drop a comment here or book a one-on-one call. The link is in bio. And also, you can also suggest me any content topics that you want me to make the videos on. See you in another video. Until then, bye.